Hello everyone, myself Ashok Sharma and I welcome you all on this channel. In this today's video, we are going to understand question number 6 of exercise 7.1 of chapter number 7, that is triangles of class 9th maths. Before starting the discussion, I would like to request all of you, please subscribe this channel so that you may get all my maths videos directly to your device. And now today's question. Let us first understand what is the meaning of the statement of this question, what is given to us and what is to be obtained by us. Okay, let us start. The statement is AC equals to AE, the two sides, which one? This one is AC, this one is AE, they are equal. Next one, AB equals to AD, this is AB, this is AD, they are also equal to each other. Next one, this angle BAD, this angle EAC, BAD, this one, EAC, this one, these two angles are equal. And what we have to show? We have to show that BC and DE, they are equal. In the figure, we can observe what is BC and DE actually. BC is the side of triangle ABC and this one is BC. It is the side of triangle ABC. And what is DE? It is the side of triangle ADE. What does it mean? It means if we want to get these two sides equal to each other, we have to show triangle ABC and triangle ADE, they are congruent. Okay, so let us first draw triangle ABC and triangle ADE separately so that we can understand what we have and what we have to obtain for proving these two triangles congruent to each other. So first one, this is triangle ABC, suppose, and this is triangle ADE. In these triangles, which sides or which angles are equal? Let us first check. This is AC and AE, AC, AE, they are equal. Next one, AB equals to AD, AB and AD, they are also equal. BC and DE, they can't be equal to each other because it is to be proved by us. Okay, so we have to find out some angle, and which angle? The including angle of these two equal sides. Okay, the including angle name is angle BAC, but we have angle BAD only. Suppose this is angle 1 in the main figure, this is angle 2 and this is angle number 3. In the main figure we can see BAC, this angle, it is the combination of the two numbers 1 and 2. So we can say this is the combination of angle 1 plus 2. Okay, and this angle DAE, or you can say EAD, it is the combination of the two numbers 2 and 3. So this is angle DAE, which is the combination of angle 2 and angle number 3. But according to the given conditions, angle BAD, that is angle number 1, and angle EAC, that is angle number 3, they are already equal. But we need angle 1 plus 2, not only angle 1. We need angle 2 plus 3, not only angle number 3. It means angle 1, angle 3, they are already equal. If we add this angle number 2 on both sides, then we can get angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 2 plus 3. Okay, so this will be the method actually which we will follow for proving these two triangles congruent. So let us first write down what is given in the statement given. Actually, we have to copy as it is, that is AC equal to AE. Second one, AB and AD, they are also equal. And the last result which we have, this is angle BAD and angle EAC, they are equal. Okay, and to prove as it is, one more time, what is to be proved? We have to show this BC and DE, they are equal. No need to do any type of construction. So come to the proof. So this is proof. As we have discussed already, we need angle 1 plus 2, then only it will become angle BAC, and angle 2 plus 3, then only it will become angle DAE, the complete angle. So first of all, angle 1 equals to angle number 3 because it is given in the statement. What is angle 1? Angle 1 is angle BAD. What is angle 3? It is angle EAC. So I have replaced the names of these angles by some figures, some numbers. Okay. So angle 1 equals to angle 3. Adding angle number 2 on both sides. Adding angle 2 on both sides. On the left hand side it will become angle 1 plus 2. On the right hand side it will become angle 2 plus 3. You can recall from chapter number 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Equals are added to equals. When the equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. It means if angle 1 and angle 3 are equal, and if we add angle 2 on both sides, then also the sums on both these sides will remain equal to each other. But what is the combination? What is the single name of the combination of this angle 1 and 2? Angle 1 plus 2 means complete angle BAC, which we need. So this implies we can write down angle BAC, which is equal to the sum of these two angles 2 and 3. 2 plus 3, D, A, E. So we will write down angle D, A, E, and this is angle result number 1. This is the only result which we have to obtain ourselves. It is not given in the statement. And it is the main point of the solution of this question you have to remember. Okay? And now start proving these two triangles congruent to each other. So now in triangle ABC and the another triangle ADE, the sides which we already have equal to each other, AC equals to AE, AC equals to AE, because it is given in the statement of the question already given. This one angle BAC equals to angle DAE. Why? Because this is the result which we have proved ourselves. So mention the reason using 1. We have obtained, we have brought this result from 1, equation number 1, result number 1. Okay, and the last point AB equals to AD. So write down AB equals to AD because it is given in the statement. And now two sides and the including angle are equal. So we can say the two triangles are congruent by using SAS congruence criteria. So therefore this implies triangle ABC can be written congruent to the another triangle ADE, and the rule for this by SAS congruence criteria or by SAS rule. And because these two triangles are congruent, so their remaining corresponding side will be equal to each other. So BC will be equal to DE by CPCT. That is, corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are always equal. Given is the same, to prove is the same. There is no constriction at all in the proof. Just one point which we have obtained ourselves, you have to remember this step, you can say. Because angle 1 and angle 3, they are already equal, it is given. We have to add this middle angle number 2 on both these sides. So angle 1 plus 2 will become equal to angle 2 plus 3. The combined name, single name of the sum of these two angles is angle BAC, and the name of the sum of these two angles is angle DAE. Angle BAC, angle DAE, this is the required point which we have obtained as I have already mentioned. So angle BAC, angle DA, this is equal, result number 1. And now in these two triangles, AC equals to AE, it is given in the statement. Angle BAC equal to angle DAE using result 1. AB equals to AD, it is also given. So we can say by using side angle side congruence criteria, these two triangles are congruent, and by CPCT we can now write down their third side BC and DE, they are now equal to each other. Okay, so this was all about this question number 6. I am sure all of you have understood this question very well. Okay, so we will meet in some next video with some next important question. Till then, do the hard work, get higher and higher marks. Okay, all the best.